Is it really good for you? Watch our video so we'll share our own experience. Watch till the end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using Goose VPN for around 6 months now, and honestly, it feels like a VPN service designed mainly for beginners who want something simple without dealing with complicated technical settings. The first thing I noticed is how easy the apps are to use. The interface is clean, straightforward, and connecting to a server only takes a couple of clicks. What I like most is the simplicity. Goose VPN doesn't overwhelm users with dozens of advanced options, which makes it much less intimidating for people new to VPNs. Another thing I noticed is the automatic connection feature. It works well for users who just want basic online privacy without constantly adjusting settings manually. I also like the overall device support. The apps worked smoothly across phones, laptops, and tablets during my daily use. Another strong point is that the service performed reasonably well for browsing, streaming, and normal internet use on nearby servers. But there are definitely some downsides you should know before using it. First, the server network is much smaller compared to major VPN providers like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, so location variety is more limited. Another issue is that while speeds are decent for everyday use, performance on distant servers can sometimes feel inconsistent. I also noticed that advanced users may quickly outgrow the platform because customization options and extra privacy tools are fairly limited. One thing I'd strongly recommend is choosing Goose VPN, mainly if your priority is ease of use rather than advanced VPN functionality. Overall, after 6 months of using Goose VPN, I think it's a decent beginner-friendly VPN for casual users who want simple privacy protection and easy setup. It's straightforward and approachable, but experienced users looking for maximum performance, advanced features, or large server networks may prefer bigger VPN providers.